Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Apache Kafka. Today we are going to dive into the basics of Kafka by setting up a simple Kafka environment. We'll start by launching Zookeeper, followed by Kafka server, and then create a Kafka topic, and finally demonstrate communication between a producer and a consumer. Let's get started. For ease of understanding, I have noted down all the commands that we need to do our practical. So first, let's see how we can start a Zookeeper. I'm using this command to start the Zookeeper. Kafka uses Zookeeper to manage and coordinate the Kafka brokers. So, the first step is to start Zookeeper. In our terminal, we have navigated to the Kafka installation directory and run the following command. Now we can see that the Zookeeper is coming up. With these logs, we can see that our Zookeeper is up. Step 2 is starting the Kafka server. Next, we need to start the Kafka server itself. In the terminal, we navigate to the Kafka directory and enter this command. Kafka is now starting, and we should see logs indicating that it's ready to be handling messages. Just give it one more minute, and we'll be able to see messages like Kafka server ID is equal to 0, which we can see on the screen. This means that the Kafka is up and running now. The next step is to create a Kafka topic, for which we are having these commands. I'm going to create a topic named interview asset. So it is giving error that interview asset already exists. Let me change the name of this. In the message, we can see that topic is created with the name we provided. Now there are various details which we can see for this topic. Let me try to execute these. So here we can see that I have created 3 topics: interview asset 1, 11, and simple interview asset. So this list command is capable of giving us what are the various topics that we have created. If you want to describe the topics, then we have this command. Let me maximize it. Here we can see various details of our topics. It shows us the partition, the leader, the replicas, etc. Now let's see communication between a consumer and a producer. For that, I have opened 2 more terminals. And these are the commands for the same. Now, let me open the consumer. Just give it 1 second. Let me open another terminal. Now let's try to type a message like hello Kafka and hit enter. Immediately, we are able to see that messages are appearing in the consumer terminal. This demonstrates the real-time communication between a Kafka producer and consumer using a sample topic that we have created. And that's it. We have just created a basic Kafka environment, created a topic, and demonstrated communication between a producer and a consumer. This is just the beginning of what Kafka can do, but it's a solid foundation to build on. Thank you for watching and happy coding.